You've already heard that Phil predicted 6 more weeks of winter, and here at Weather World, we're at least going to try to get you through the next 4 weeks with Trivia 2026.
Yeah, this is something we always look forward to each February.
That's right. And before we jump into it, let's look at what the rules are for this contest. There's going to be 20 questions that we ask, one a night for the next 4 weeks, and they'll be on our website. And you'll submit the answers at the end of each week. So from 5 o'clock on Friday through 7 o'clock Monday, one submission per person each week. And if you get 10 or more correct answers, you'll be eligible for a prize. We will reveal the answers each week here on the show. And again, you must go to the website to register. Even if you've played in the past, go to the website and register for the contest.
So we want to give folks an idea of what these questions are like. So here's an example from last year. This was question 10 during the summer of 2024. Multiple National Weather Service storm reports from Alaska to Minnesota included the mention of an unusual object, and the answer for this was C, a porta potty. You need to do some sleuthing, not simply plugging this in to ChatGPT or AI, but you need to find these 2 storm reports that included that winds impacted a porta potty in multiple locations. So just an example of the type of questions you may see.
That's right. And you may wonder, why do the trivia contest? Well, again, if you get 10 or more of our answers correct, you will be eligible for some prizes. This year's third prize is a prize pack, a cozy collection with 2 weather books, 2 mugs, and some hot chocolate to help get you through the rest of this long winter. Second prize is a swag collection, a lot of Weather World gear that we're going to be offering to you. And then the grand prize is going to be some Weather World swag, as well as the ambient weather station donated by a generous viewer.
So without further ado, let's get to question 1, read by a special guest.
It's time for question number 1 in the 2026 Weather World Trivia Contest. What is the deepest Groundhog Day snowpack that has been measured at the closest currently active co-op site to Gobbler's Knob? A, 11 inches. B, 16 inches. C, 21 inches. D, 26 inches. Again, what is the deepest Groundhog Day snowpack that has been measured at the closest currently active co-op site to Gobbler's Knob? A, 11 inches. B, 16 inches. C, 21 inches. D, 26 inches. Good luck, players.
All right, you heard it from the man himself. And a quick note, whether or not you've played in previous editions of Trivia, you do have to register still on our website.
So best of luck to you, and we'll be back in a moment with more.